What if the Lover's card is reversed while you go for reading? Oh God. Again, if this card is reversed, then the consequences are not, you should not take the consequences lightly, because the relationship which you are entering into may be a hazardous one. There would be abuse, bullying, anything, something which is a person is wanting from you in a short term, uh, in terms of relationship or in terms of business relationship. The partners may cheat you for money. Once their due advantage they have taken out, then they may close the relationship, they may turn you down, they may shut doors for you forever, and you may be devastated. It would be a disastrous situation in case of business also, in case of love relationship also. So while this card is reversed, when you want to enter into any kind of new relationship, new venture, and if this card gives you a reverse signal, then please be careful and don't let yourself down. Be a motivating factor for yourself. And if your partners do not, suppose you have started the business, and if you feel that there is some vicious thing is happening, and you go for a reading and you are already there in a relationship, then please don't fall because of the ugly relationship. Do rise during the this pitiful time. Do support yourself, make a strong decision for self and not for the partners. Don't give up anything for a partner. Don't be lenient toward the partners, and either in relationship or in a business. So you have to take your point upwards. You have to be pressurizing your partners to give their due return to you, and you have to be strong enough to lead the partnership. If you are getting this card reverse, then you have to lead the partnership. You cannot be struggling in a storm just to keep pace with your partner. So here you have to be the leader, you have to be strong enough, and you have to be courageous to get out of the situation. If you have already been in a situation, and if you are starting a situation, any venture, if you are starting anything new, and if this signal is given, a reverse Lover's card is given to you in a reading, comes up for a reading, then please be away from that particular, either the love and relationship, or from that business deal, or for that particular investment venture, or any kind of deal, property related deal. So you have to be very careful. So I think I have cleared you the meaning of Lover's card in a reverse situation. Thank you.